Welcome back. In this video, we will run version control Git. Ever wished you could undo a coding mistake or check what you wrote last week? That's exactly what Git does. Think of it like Google Docs revision history, but for your code. Just like Google Docs keeps every version you have time, Git saves snapshots called commits. You can open any version and see exactly what changed even without internet. A commit is like hitting save with a description of what changed. A branch is like a parallel document you can experiment without touching the main code and later merge your code back in. With Git, a whole team can code together without stepping on each other's toes. No more final really final files, just one shared history everyone can track and update. Thank you.